Welcome to today's video. My name is Charles. I'll be doing a how-to video for PantryOn. I'll be showing you some of PantryOn's most basic features. And for those of you who are not familiar with this product, PantryOn is the only intelligent kitchen and pantry appliance available on the market. It monitors your groceries and other items that you normally buy at the grocery store. It lets you know what items you're good on, what you need, and it generates a shopping list for you automatically. To get there, you will need the intelligent pantry appliance and the companion app. The app, which we will discuss later, may also be used as a regular shopping app without having to purchase the appliance. It just won't do the automatic things for you. But that's fine because you can always purchase the hardware later. Okay, let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Type in PantryOn on the search bar. And download the free PantryOn app. So as you can see, there are two options here. You can either log in or create a new account and register. We're going to create a new account. And here, you will just type in your full name. Username, I think we're going to go with. Email address, coolvideo@gmail.com. Password must be at least 5 characters long, so I'm just going to put love this video. And you just click on next once you've completed all the fields. And great. And on this screen, you can choose a family name. So if you're the Johnsons, put the Johnsons. If you're the Happy Campers, you know what to do. Zip code, so that it knows which area you shop in. Now let's see what happens when we register. Oh, there we go. So it's signing you up. You should see this little spinning wheel that knows that this means that you're on the right track. And when you get to this screen, you know that you are ready to go. You've got the green light on PantryOn. Once you've created your username, you can begin using the app immediately. I recommend that you fill out your basic profile information right now. It only takes a few minutes. But before I do this, let's do an overview of the app. Okay, so my account is new, so my app is blank. I have not made any inputs yet. So I asked my friend Pam if I could use her account. So we're gonna log out and log back in on Pam's account. So you wanna go to these 3 bars on the right-hand corner, and at the bottom, it shows the logout menu. So we're just logging back in to Pam's account right here. Okay, we're back in again, and this time the app has data in it because Pam has been using her app extensively. This is the first screen you will see when you launch a well-utilized app. In My Pantry is a list of items. To view the items, click on this down arrow here. Here I have some Listerine, some Spam, even some waffles, and several other items. You can have unlimited items. Okay, next screen is My Appliances. Appliances is another word for PantryOn hardware. There are 2 appliances here. That is 2 individual hardware. You may have a limited number of hardware in communication with this app. Click on the down arrow, the list opens up. I can see what is on each appliances individually. Okay, next is for My Pantry. This is the part of the app that works like any standard grocery store app. There are 2 lists here. Items that are needed, items that are running low. Next is My Lists. This is the part of the app that works like any standard grocery shopping app. It is not related to hardware. And here we have a map of all the grocery stores that are near me. Click on the balloons, well, you get this. I hope you enjoyed this video today. More like this one will be made available in the next few weeks and months. Be sure to click on that subscribe button below so you can stay in the loop. Bye for now.